I'm sorry, but the reason that we're even here in the first place is because y'all won't stop being fucking liars, dude. Honestly, if the truth was put out there, people wouldn't join. So, yeah, we're out here telling people not to join your stupid fucking companies because you won't tell them the truth.
Savannah Maria, I 100% agree with you. I've been talking about this for a long time. I'm 100% pro MLM. Consider this my invite. I would love to get you on a discussion to absolutely share the common ground of the horrible bullshit tactics that are used in the network marketing industry. I'm going to be reaching out to you personally. I hope you take me up on this offer because as much as you and I are opposed in different positions, we so much share common ground. And I hope you'll be that one anti-MLM person that does have a discussion and a debate with me, and we can wind up promoting and actually solving this industry and finding the solution together. Appreciate your work. Hope to hear from you.
Stop that here, because I'm telling you right now, in this video in particular, there's a lot to unpack. But here, she's basically saying, like, don't be in my MLM, join another MLM. Not every company is gonna be for everyone. How about, like, no one joins an MLM? How about that? That's what I have to say about that. But anyway, they fail to realize, or acknowledge, I guess, why there is an anti-MLM movement in the first place. And that is because these people are out here acting a fool, basically just sitting up here lying about what the opportunity is. Oh, hi, Pippi. Doing anything, whatever they can do to get people to shut off that red flag going off in their brain and just to sign up. Just sign up. Like, I literally had a reaction video a long time ago with a network marketing distributor. I think she was with Arbonne, but she was literally saying, just turn off your brain. Just turn your brain off. That's like what these people rely on to get people to join their team. I'm sorry, but the reason that we're even here in the first place is because y'all won't stop being fucking liars, dude. Honestly, if the truth was put out there, people wouldn't join. Is there a possibility for you to make hundreds of thousands of dollars? Theoretically, yeah. Do people make money in MLMs? Yeah, but less than 1% of people who join MLMs are people who are making a living off of it. Less than 1%. But the people that you're always seeing on your news feeds and stuff, all these boss babes, are always the top 1%, or they're pretending to be the top 1%. It's attraction marketing, dude. They're gonna do anything that they can to suck you in.
The estimated probability of competing in professional athletics. Baseball, 9.9% go from college to pro. Basketball, 1.2% go from college to pro. Basketball, 0.8% go from college to pro. Football, 1.6 go from college to pro. Key findings that 18.4% of private sector businesses in the United States failed in the first year. After 5 years, 49.7% have faltered, while after 10 years, 65.5% of businesses have failed. 90% of all artists fail. Yes, even the talented ones. This is because your success as a musician isn't down to talent. Based on these two metrics alone, it's an estimate that at most around 0.25% of all YouTube channels are making money. That's not a lot.
Honestly, if the truth was put out there, people wouldn't join. Is there a possibility for you to make hundreds of thousands of dollars? Theoretically, yeah. Do people make money in MLMs? Yeah, but less than 1% of people who join MLMs are people who are making a living off of it. Less than 1%. But the people that you're always seeing on your news feeds and stuff, all these boss babes, are always the top 1%, or they're pretending to be the top 1%. It's attraction marketing, dude. They're gonna do anything that they can to suck you in, whether it's...
You got to understand that you're doing the exact same marketing tactics that you accuse other network marketers of doing, which I align with you and I agree with you, are horrible. But what are you doing? You're leveraging your 59.9 thousand person audience to talk about industries you don't like, align with their values, get them to all emotionally be charged up by sharing war stories. And when people want to sit there and feel good about something, they're going to throw money at you. Well, how do they do that? Well, geez, all you do is go to the About section, click on an Instagram link, and there you are with another link that has ways to make money off of your audience, dude. Come on. Here you have energy bars at a discount, recommended Amazon products where it says you absolutely earn commission. You're earning money. The people who support you aren't, unlike network marketing, right? And you're removing, it's a 0.0% possibility anybody makes money supporting you. None. It's not going to happen. Unlike network marketing, which you are so vehemently opposed against. And then people, hell, this is like a cover charge at a bar where you pay for nothing, the value of being in an atmosphere. $1 a month, people can give you access to your videos, private Discord server. You'll put your name in a text form at the end of the video. So for $1 a month, you're going to put my name on something to make me feel good about something? Dude, you're giving the same exact bullshit that you hate anti-MLM, that's your activism for, that you're doing. For $5 a month, you put your name in a video again, too. Access to private, holy jeez. And for $10 a month, you'll shout my name and put my name at the end of a video. So for $10 a month, you will speak my name. And you're ragging on the MLM industry? Again, there are so many problems in the network marketing industry. There really are. And I agree with countless of you who are on this journey and this fight. It's my industry. My industry's got a lot of fucking problems in it, and I want to see those problems eradicated. People who leverage emotionalism, hype, storytelling. I was sleeping out of my car, and a year later, but people do not talk about the insane hard work that is required in this business. It's simple. It's having conversations with people and presenting value. But the lies that come with it, oh no, all you have to do is talk to two. I get it. But none of us are going to get anywhere unless we're both willing to admit there's some serious problems and come together at the table. I would love to get you and everybody else who's in this anti-MLM position to do any type of content together to recognize common ground so that we solve problems. But with the anti-MLM community, it's simply this. You don't want problems to be solved. Because if you solve the problems, if you put integrity in network marketing, you'll have no content. None. And then what are you going to do with your 60,000 subscribers on YouTube? You'd have to talk about the positive aspects or something, or the negative aspects about other industries. You'd be out of business. So again, you guys are the politicians of the network marketing world, to where you talk about a problem with no solution whatsoever other than, let's all hate it together. Why can't we solve the problem? It's a damn shame. Damn shame you guys have such a big audience out there, and there are people like me that are willing to wind up talking with you to take the criticism to where if you came on my channel and you discussed the problems with me and we put up a video unedited and I didn't have an answer, don't you think people would stop doing fucking business with me? Don't you think you would expose me? But so far, every anti-MLM person out there, it just does not want to debate, because if you come up, if God forbid your pride is hurt, you don't have, you're risking. I'm willing to risk it. I'm willing to risk having a conversation. So far, everybody out there says no, or they want to shield their audience from the way that I talk because of how triggering it is. None of you are ready for business in the first place, and you're just as guilty as sucking off your network as the same damn people you condemn in network marketing. Hope to hear from you.